I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately after washing. Towel blot hair to about 80–90% dry so the mask penetrates rather than runs off. Use a wide tooth comb to detangle. This ensures even distribution. Take 1 to 2 palms of Loreal Metal DX for medium hair, more for thick, less for short. Apply from mid-lengths to ends, focusing on damaged zones and avoiding roots so your scalp isn't overloaded. Once applied, gently work product through with fingers to coat each strand for better absorption and even gloss. Once the mask is in, time it based on damage. 3 to 5 minutes for regular upkeep or 10 to 15 minutes for deeper repair because longer contact improves metal binding and smoothing. You can use a heat wrap or a shower cap to mildly raise temperature. This increases penetration by about 10 to 20% and speeds action. While waiting, comb through slowly to keep product even. Then rinse with cool to lukewarm water until the water runs clear. Squeeze gently to preserve the cuticle alignment. Don't rub or twist. You finish by towel blotting and choosing air dry or low heat blow dry to lock and shine and reduce frizz. If you want extra slip, use half to 1 pump of a leave-in detangler. Apply sparingly. If you feel any residue or heaviness, re-rinse with slightly warmer water and a small dab of shampoo on the mid-lengths, then condition lightly. If heaviness recurs, reduce your next dose by 30 to 50% and shorten leave time. This tweak balances conditioning without weighing hair down.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.